What you got going on over here? You can't hear me. He's got his headphones on. You jamming? You jamming?
What up?
You jamming?
Yeah.
Show us what you're doing. You're putting water pump on a Land Rover?
Yep.
All right. So what was going on about this one? Tell me. Walk us through the situation.
That grommet was what we were missing. This is the rubber piece.
Oh yeah?
And that's why it wasn't.
Okay.
If I get it off.
You don't have to get it off. We can look in there and see it. So that little rubber grommet right there. Land Rover specific grommet, right? The water pump slides onto that.
That was the old one.
Yeah. So that's part of why. How many miles is on this car? You remember?
20 plus.
Huh?
120 plus.
120,000 plus miles, right? And it's got a major coolant system leak, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I distracted you.
That's okay.
You know, you dropped it, right?
Okay, that's what the grabber's for.
Okay. This is why you pay the big dollars to these repair shops, right? Is so guys have special tools like these grabbers, right? Humans working, fixing. So he put a new water pump on, new water pump gasket. But it was just pouring coolant out, right?
Yeah.
Did the customer know that?
Yes, customer knows.
Customer knew that?
Yes,
So
sir.
it comes in for a coolant leak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So it did come in for a coolant leak. That's where we found. So it's really hard to see. It's really hard to see that grommet all the way back underneath the engine was actually what was causing the leak, right? But that's what it was. So now we're doing a coolant system repair. But this is a further testimony of why it's so important to do coolant system service every 30,000 miles, right?
So you don't blow gaskets out, yep.
So you don't blow the gaskets, the rubber doesn't deteriorate, right? The cooling system flush service, whenever we put the new coolant in, it has chemicals and conditioners in it that basically maintain those rubber so that they don't degrade, right?
Yep.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you for visiting with us.
No, you're welcome.
All right.
Anytime.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yes, sir.
All right.